UberTile – Technology for Tiling. The UberTile waterproof wall panels are part of the UberTile shower system. The panels are lightweight, simple to install, and are available in a variety of sizes and thicknesses. Uberboard panels can be used for shower and tub surrounds, which will be tiled. This video will demonstrate how to properly install Uberboard Classic wall panels. These are the required materials and tools to install the Uberboard Classic 1/2 inch thick wall panels. The minimum stud spacing is 16 inches on centre. Use wood studs or heavy gauge steel studs. The stud work must include wood blocking, which runs around the perimeter of the UberTile pre-sloped shower pan using 2x6 blocking or greater. When cutting the Uberboard to size, simply measure and mark the sheet, then cut with a utility knife by scoring and snapping the sheet. Panels are sealed together using UberSeal sealant. UberSeal, when tooled flat, must cover a minimum 1 inch onto each surface for a 2 inch total width. To fasten the Uberboard panels to the framework, use UberTile screws and washers, installed at a rate of 1 fastener every 12 inches for wall installations and every 6 inches for ceiling installations. Panels are sealed together using UberSeal sealant. Apply a generous bead of UberSeal into the 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch perimeter channel of the UberTile pre-sloped shower pan. Press the Uberboard panel into the still fresh UberSeal sealant. When butting together adjoining panels, first apply a liberal bead of UberSeal to the top 1/2 inch thick portion of the panel. Then insert the adjoining panel into the still fresh UberSeal. At panel seams, apply an UberTile screw and washer positioned so it contacts both sheets equally. Spread the UberSeal a minimum 1 inch width onto each surface for a 2 inch total width. Apply UberSeal, fully covering each UberTile screw and washer. Spread the still fresh UberSeal flat, covering the XPS screw and washer completely. The Uberboard is now properly installed. Wait 24 hours for the UberSeal to cure before the installation of tiles or flood testing. UberTile offers multiple accessories such as waterproof niches, shower seats and more. For more information on the available accessories, visit www.ubertile.com. Waterproof, efficient and customizable, the UberTile shower system is a reliable solution for building a waterproof shower.